Hey everyone! Today we're unboxing and reviewing the YGF F20U Industrial Grade Handheld Barcode Terminal, what we commonly call a barcode scanner gun, in logistics and warehousing. A Type-C data cable, an 18W fast charging adapter, a dedicated wrist strap, and a custom clear protective case. It comes fully kitted with protective accessories, ready to use right out of the box, with no extra setup needed. On the sides of the device, you'll find the power button and dual scan keys, one on each side. Next to them is the dual SIM dual standby card slot. It not only supports dual SIM cards, but also memory card expansion up to 512 gigabytes, with plenty of room for massive data storage. There are also volume up, down buttons on the side, and a 5000 mAh removable battery on the back, so you can swap in a fresh battery when power runs low for seamless workflow without downtime. On the specs side, the F20U runs on Android 12 with a memory configuration of 8 GB RAM plus 128 GB ROM. The system runs smooth and responsive, with zero lag even when running multiple third-party business apps at the same time. On a full charge, it lasts 1 to 2 days under heavy use, so you don't have to constantly hunt for a power outlet, keeping your efficiency at its peak. Now for the highlight, and the core capability of this type of industrial terminal: scanning performance. Its self-developed SE6-100 scan engine supports full format reading of both 1D and 2D barcodes. Whether they're crisp standard barcodes or tricky ones that are stained, damaged, or have missing corners, it reads them quickly and accurately. It also supports both single scan and continuous scan modes. Paired with the dual side scan keys, it handles both single item inventory checks and batch data entry efficiently, with no need to keep repositioning the device. All in all, the YGF F20U Industrial Handheld Terminal is built for heavy-duty use in industrial scenarios. From scanning performance and core specs to detailed design, it delivers solid performance across warehousing, logistics, and retail inventory. That wraps up our unboxing for today.